Trust. Do not fear your inner truths. You have to trust the process, and you have to get to know yourself. You can run, but you can't hide. And knowing yourself sooner rather than later will uncover amazing adventures. The more we reflect on situations, circumstances, and events in our lives, we find out new revelations and get closer to an understanding of what really makes us tick. As we take time to get to know ourselves, the pieces of the puzzle start to make sense. And it's these pieces of the puzzle that make up your beautiful life. We have to own the choices that we make, trusting that we are where we need to be and we are making the choice all the time. So which one or ones will you make about your life today?